Hello everyone, welcome to the Desired Grades. Myself Divya Gupta. Today we will learn about the topic meristematic tissue. We all are completely familiar with the word tissue. Tissues are the structurally and functionally similar group of cells that are performing the particular function. Now, the meristematic tissues are the continuously dividing group of cells. They are mainly found in the apical regions of the plant, that are the root tip and the shoot tip. The word meristematic tissue was first used by Carl Wilhelm von Nageli in 1858. Now, meristematic tissues are being developed by the promeristem cells, and these promeristem cells are originated from the embryo. Let's have a look on the characteristics of the meristematic tissue. The figure is given on the right side. First is they are the living cells, as they are having the nucleus. Second, they perform or they divide by the process of mitosis. Mitosis means the cells will be dividing in such a way that the number of the chromosome in the daughter cell and in the mother cell will be similar. Secondarily, they are the undifferentiated cells. They are small in size. The shapes are mainly round, oval or polygonal. They are having the large nucleus because their particular function or the main function is to continuously divide and continuously pass on the chromosomes to the daughter cells. They are having the dense cytoplasm. Dense cytoplasm means they are having the little cytoplasm or less cytoplasm. Then they are having no vacuole. They are having the thin cell wall and no intercellular space is found between the cells. It means the cells are compactly packed. Now let's have a look on the types of meristematic tissue. Now there are three types of meristematic tissue: apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. These all meristem we will see later. These are the positions of the apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. As you can see, apical meristem is present at the tip, intercalary meristem is present in between the stem and lateral meristem is present parallel to the length of the stem. Actually, the meristematic tissues are the undifferentiated one, but as soon as they will get mature, they will start performing the specific function. Now comes the apical meristem. As you can see, the figure given over here is of the root tip, and this root tip has been covered with the root cap. Apical meristem are mainly located at the growing tips, and these growing tips are the root tip and the shoot tip. Now apical meristem produces a plant hormone which is called auxin, and this apical meristem has been classified on the basis of the location. First is the root apical meristem, that is RAM. Second is the shoot apical meristem, that is SAM. Now RAM will help the root to grow and will help the root to increase its surface area, while the SAM will give rise to different organs and the flowers of the plant. So in short, we can say that apical meristem is contributing to increase the length of the plant. Now comes the intercalary meristem. As you can see the figure given over here, the intercalary meristem is present near the nodal region, and the arrows which are showing the upward direction, which gives an idea that this intercalary meristem is increasing the length. So the apical meristem are only found in the monocot plants, and these monocot plants are like sugarcane or bamboo. They are found at the base of the nodes or at the leaf blades. Hence they will increase the length of the stem by increasing the internodal distance. Many a times we have seen that the grass eating animals are continuously grazing on the grass, but after few days that grass again grows as the original because of the presence of intercalary meristem in that grass. Now comes the lateral meristem. Now this lateral meristem helps the plant to increase its girth, that is the thickness of the plant. The cells of this lateral meristem are generally rectangular in shape, and they are developed along a one plane only. If you have liked my content, then please like my video, share it and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.